In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add emotions to AI voices using ElevenLabs so your narration sounds more natural, more expressive, and a lot less robotic. If you're creating YouTube videos, ads, stories, social content, or any kind of voiceover, this is a simple trick that can make a huge difference in how your audio feels to the listener. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI and software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and sign into your account. Once you're inside, make sure you're using one of their advanced models, such as 11v3, because this is where emotional audio tags are supported. If you're using a basic model, you may not get the same level of emotional control, so choosing the right model is the first important step. Now go to the text box, where you normally type your script. This is where the magic happens. Instead of just writing plain text, you can add emotional cues directly into the script by placing them inside square brackets. These are called emotional audio tags, and they tell the AI how to deliver the line. For example, if you want the voice to sound upbeat, you can type, before the sentence, if you want the voice to feel more emotional or down, you can use. If the line needs to sound intense or frustrated, you can try. If you want the voice to sound soft and secretive, use. For a more natural pause or emotional break, you can use. And if you want a lighter, more playful delivery, you can use. You can also use. A simple example would look like this. I can't believe this actually worked. Or you might write, don't tell anyone what happens next. These tags are placed right before the text they affect, which makes it easy to control the tone line by line. One of the best things about this feature is that you don't need to rewrite your entire script. You can keep your normal wording and simply add emotional cues where needed. That means you can make one sentence sound excited, the next sound serious, and the next sound surprised, all within the same voiceover. As you build your script, think about where emotion naturally changes. Maybe your intro should sound energetic, so you start with. Maybe a dramatic moment in your story should use. Or, maybe a punchline or funny moment should include. The more intentional you are, the more realistic and engaging your final audio will sound. If the output doesn't sound exactly right on the first try, don't worry. Just adjust the tag placement, change the wording slightly, or test a different emotional cue. Sometimes, a small change in punctuation or phrasing can make the delivery sound much better. That's why it's a good idea to generate a few versions and compare the results. Also, keep in mind that emotional tags work best when they match the actual meaning of the sentence. If the line is meant to sound excited, make sure the words support that tone. If you combine a sad tag with a happy sentence, the result may feel inconsistent, so the key is to use the tags naturally and strategically. This feature is especially useful if you're making story videos, character dialogue, product explainers, or anything where a flat voice would feel boring. With the right emotional tags, you can turn a basic AI voice into something that feels more human and more believable. So, to quickly recap, open ElevenLabs, choose an advanced model, like 11-3, type your script, and place emotional tags inside square brackets before the text you want to affect. Use tags like and to shape the delivery and give your AI voice more personality. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what AI tool you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.